Hey guys, it's your boy Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about the 4 things every property investor needs to know in order to take their finances to the next level, in order to become a property millionaire, not just a property millionaire, but a deca millionaire. If you'd like to know what are these 4 things, stay until the end. But before we get to that, I'd like to thank every individual that have been supporting my channel. The channel would have not been as big as it is right now without your support. I appreciate your support. You've been absolutely amazing for watching the videos, joining the family. I really appreciate every single one of you. But I've got a favor to ask to the people that have not subscribed to the channel. We've done a research. We've noticed 61% of the people that are watching my channel have not hit that subscribe button. If you're one of those, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button now, because you want to join this family. It's an amazing family. I post videos every single day about property investment, personal development, and financial freedom. So if you want to learn about these things, if you want to immerse yourself in your finances, you have bumped into the right channel. So I'd ask you to kindly smash that subscribe button. I promise to bring you valuable content, implementable content, and best of all, I'll start bringing guests into the channel. But in order for me to bring guests into the channel, they want to see the channel growing. They want to see lots of subscribers, and I don't want to fake it, by the way. I don't want to fake. I don't just want to have numbers on my channel. So I want it to be a real, genuine numbers. There's so many stuff going in social media, getting lots of followers, getting lots of subscribers that are bought. I do not want to do that. If I do, I have the money to buy it. I have the money to literally go and buy 100,000 followers or 100,000 subscribers. But it's not good to look good, right? I believe in organic growth. I believe in reinvesting. I believe in committing, like what I'm doing now to talk to you, to like this video. That's what I do. I love it. I don't want to be fake. I want to be real. So if you really want to be with the real people, this is the channel you want to be in. You want to hit that subscribe button now to be part of the family, to support me. And whilst you're there, like it, so the algorithm will push the videos to wider and wider audiences. So thank you so much for doing that with me. So what are the 4 things all property investors must know about property investment? The first thing is market research. Market research is crucial to any property investment deal. Understanding your local market, the property value, the rental that property brings to you as an investor is essential to making a decisive decision. So in order for your property to work well for you, you need to know where the market is. You don't want to go buy a property where there's already a hike on the property price, okay? You want to be going in when the properties are cheaper. So you are in when it was low. And then guess what? It goes high, you remortgage. You remember that analogy? Buy low, sell high. What I do, I buy low, remortgage high. I don't sell, okay? So I do that. Market research is crucial to any investment. The second and most important thing every single investor must know about property is cash flow. I call cash flow in my property business as the oxygen. You know, like if you haven't got an oxygen, you won't breathe, right? It's exactly with business, with property business. If your cash flow is not making you lots and lots of money, you are DEAD. If your cash flow is not making you sleep at night, you are DEAD. So your cash flow is your oxygen. Without that, your business goes nowhere. So focus on properties that generate you positive cash flow. Focus on properties where the rental income is high. And obviously, looking at your rental income, deducting your mortgage interest. Here's the thing. When it comes to mortgage interest, do not go for the current mortgage interest. Inflate it slightly. If the interest rate in your case is 5%, maybe you want to try 7%. You want to stress test it. Stress testing it helps you drastically. You put that cost. You put your expenses like your management fees, your repairs, your insurance, whatever cost is associated to that specific property, and then you deduct that from your rental income. If you deduct that from your rental income, that then allows you to see how much profit you are making, because you need to be making profit at the point you stress test your investment property, at your 7% interest rate, for example, you need to be making minimum for a buy-to-let property, normal house to rent to a family, you need to be making minimum of £300 per property. If you're not making that much money, you are literally one interest hike away from making loss, from losing your property. You need to make sure it's working for you that way. If it is, bingo. Moving on to the next part, leveraging, which is number 3. Leveraging with caution. Okay, real estate allow you to use leverage through mortgages, through lending, borrowing from investors, borrowing from family and friends. But most importantly, it's important for you to be cautious, especially when it comes to bridging loans or other lenders, so that you can manage the risk you are taking. And when it comes to lending or borrowing money, you have to plan your exit strategy before you even take on the loan. When do I pay the lender? How often do I need to pay the lender interest? How long do I want to keep this loan? You have to know that. And once the loan expires, what is my exit strategy? Am I selling? If I'm selling, am I going to be able to make profit and pay my lenders back? If I'm remortgaging, am I able to remortgage and pay my lenders back their loan? You need to be working out these figures in order for you to understand whether these deals are really, really good deals. Very important for you to do this. Number 4. One of my favorite, if it's not my favorite, is diversification to mitigate risk. Now, this is an important topic, by the way. If you're just starting out, I don't advise you to diversify. Again, this is how I started my investment journey, because I like diversification, but when I know what I was doing, when I become a professional in what I'm doing. So when I started, I did not go on doing buy to let, buy, refurbish and refinance, purchase, lease option deals. No. What I did basically is to do one strategy at a time. When I become proficient in that strategy, when I become very good at that strategy, knowing that I'm making serious money from that strategy, then I diversify to the next strategy, master that strategy really, really well. Then I move to another strategy. That's how I was able to diversify my portfolio. I don't go and start everything in one go. I've seen so many people make mistakes like that. You don't want to be one of those, especially now you've listened to this video and you learn and understand how you could take advantage of this. Make sure you are actually basically doing one strategy at a time. How do you climb a mountain? It's one step at a time. The same thing applies when it comes to investing in properties. Make sure you are doing one strategy at a time. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing next video. Thank you.